Okay guys, so you're probably wondering where all the Dotson videos have been lately. And most of the time, I've been spending waiting on parts. One of them being this one. This is an air duct that goes in between the air fuel meter and the butterfly valve. I'll show you guys that here in a minute. But basically it had to be replaced, and I'll show you guys just exactly why. But first, went to Harbor Freight yesterday. Went there for one thing and ended up buying a whole bunch of things. First of them being this compression tester. It was like 20 bucks and I had a 20% off coupon, so came out to like 16 or something like that. Coworker actually gave me this, a grease gun. Flip this over so you guys can see it. And that's what it looks like. I also have a whole new suspension system on the way. All 4 new struts. I've already got the ball joints and the shims and a couple other things for it, but I'm just waiting on the struts now, and they're still in New Jersey of all places, so they should be here within the next few days or so. I got some tools and stuff here for work. I got a pair of scissors, a slide ruler, which I really needed one of those, and a small ball peen. That's going to come in handy. We got a few other things as well. Got some bungees, which were like $4.99 or some shit like that. We got some more brushes. We got another ruler for here at the house. And I knew I was going to need this tie rod and pitman arm puller, so I went ahead and bought that. I also bought an actual oil filter wrench. And seeing as how these are so easy to do, bought some quick splicers. And also a feeler gauge. I knew I needed one of these. I'm going to be doing that valve lash adjustment to the Z here pretty soon. So I went ahead and got that. I also got, even though I can get these at work, I decided they were cheap enough, and I bought my own cotter pin assortment here, as well as a mechanic stethoscope. I can get these at work as well, but if I wanted them in this much bulk, I'm not going to take all the ones from work. So that's a lot of the stuff that I got, but I'm going to go ahead, put this guy in. I'm going to go ahead and start it up. And so another thing I'm going to be replacing is, if you guys remember, I had an oil breather hose that went down over here on top of the butterfly valve. And that's going to be replaced. And here it is right here. See, it's all cracked and nasty. It's also pretty stiff too, so it's time to be changed out. So what I'm going to do here is, I got some bulk hose. I'm going to go ahead and adjust this one and put this new piece of bulk hose. So here we have the new one, and here we have the old one. As you guys can probably tell, it's a pretty big difference in quality. I shouldn't really say quality, but if you look closely, this one's got cracks all over it, which is why it's being changed. I also have to take this guy out, put him over here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll throw it right in. So I got both the hoses in. Brand new one. I also replaced the oil breather hose. Let's go ahead and get in and start it up. Sure it's hot out here. Sounds actually quite a bit better. Of course, it hasn't been started in a few days, so I'll just go ahead and let it warm up. We'll go from there.